put the Grand Parade in our hundreds. Today, we stand here in our thousands. We stand here to tell the government enough with your failed housing policy. Enough with your failed healthcare policy. Enough with your failed immigration policy. Listing the failures of Fianna Fáil, Fine Gael and the fake opposition and the cover-ups provided by the government-funded media, RTE and their cronies. But I'm not here today to talk about them. I'm here to talk about us. Against those who forced our young, bright, talented, educated young people from our shores. To the Irish diaspora, I say this: us nationalists hear you, us nationalists see you, and us nationalists want to give you a homeland to return to. This country has suffered the incompetency of Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael for over 100 years. This communism politics has brought Ireland from freedom and independence to today's Ireland, where we are led by young global leaders. Do you hear me, America? These people focus on putting diversity first. They want to put climate first. They want to put the foreigner first. What counts in my heart and soul is to put the Irish first. Rome was not built in a day, and it took 100 years of Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael to put us here. And we're not going to fix it in a day. But we are going to boot this cronyism and corruption out of this country once and for all. As a minority, Grand Parade, we had 600 people. Different story here today. Day by day, the seeds we sow, protest by protest, our numbers grow. The time has come for this government to go. Why? Because we stand here as many and they stand here as few. As we nationalists unite, it sends shivers down the backs of those spineless traitors to Ireland. I ask every true nationalist to feel the weight of our forefathers' hands upon our shoulders. our country away. God willing, someday we will meet our patriot dead in heaven. And when we do, we can look them and God straight in the eye and say that we put Ireland first. God bless Ireland and God bless every one of you. What are we doing it? What's the point? We do it so we can get you here, so we can tell you how we're going to fix it. For far too long, decisions that shape our lives have been made without us. Policies are being pushed on our communities without our consent, without debate, and without democratic approval. Sometimes with the violent oppression has not been seen since we were a British colony. That ends today. Because we are launching a nationwide movement, a constitutional call, we demand a national referenda on issues that determine immigration, asylum, housing, citizenship, neutrality, and freedom of speech. But we are calling for something that's long overdue. The restoration of Article 48, which gave us, the people, the right to trigger a referendum on national issues. That was taken away from us. We are demanding it be returned. Because our republic is not just about ticking boxes. It's about you, the people, having the final say. So what is it? This is all we ask. This is all we ask you. Go to your phones. Go to www.ourpetitions.ie. Choose which petition you want to support or choose them all. One name, one email. That's it. No address required. 20 seconds of your day. That's all it takes. I want to vote. I want a voice. I want my country back. Share it with everybody you know on social media, on the street, in the pub, everywhere. Let's spread this far and wide. There is a QR code on the leaflets. We have them here. Take them, pass them around. We want 75,000 signatures. We will then present those signatures to Dawn. We are going to make it impossible for them to refuse it. Just a petition. This is a line in the sand. This is a message to Leinster House that we want our voices heard. You govern by the will of the people, and the people demand to be heard. We are not asking for permission. We are exercising our right, and we are reclaiming our place in this republic as sovereign citizens, not silent victims. I want everybody to get a leaflet today, and I want everybody to go to our petitions.ie and have your say in the future of your country. And in closing, I'm going to get this national hero, Darren McGovern, to sing us out.